Let's skip the fluff. If you're serious about fix and flips, you know it's not about finding a good deal. It's about identifying undervalued opportunities. The profit margin is baked in when you buy right. Target properties in transitioning neighborhoods where development is pushing property values upward but hasn't yet peaked. That's where the equity multiplier lives. Leverage MLS alerts, wholesalers, and local auctions to sniff out deals others miss. You're not just buying walls and a roof. You're buying potential, structural integrity, non-negotiable, outdated kitchens. Cha-ching! Know the difference between an equity trap and a hidden gem. Run your numbers like a cold-blooded analyst. Use the 70% rule. Don't pay more than 70% of ARV minus repairs. Factor in holding costs, contractor overruns, and an exit cushion. Amateurs guess, professionals calculate. Renovations should be strategic, not emotional. Every dollar spent should multiply on resale. Kitchens and bathrooms sell houses, period. But don't ignore the psychology of curb appeal. First impressions create bidding wars. Vet your contractors like your profits depend on it, because they do. Fixed bids, tight timelines, and penalty clauses for delays. If they can't deliver, find someone who will. No compromises. Flipping is a numbers game. Get in, add value, and get out before the market shifts. The best investors aren't just flippers, they're trend forecasters. Fix and flips aren't just a hustle. They're a scalable, wealth-building strategy. Understand your market, streamline your processes, and don't settle for average returns. Master the game. Need expert-level funding for your next flip? At Phoenix Funded, we don't just finance projects, we fuel visions. Visit phoenixfunded.com or email us at applyephoenixfunded.com. Let's turn your expertise into profits.